Well, hello everybody, welcome. So I have a Pleiadian frequency for you guys today. So this one is going to be a healing frequency, and then it's going to be an activation at the end. I'll talk a little bit at the end and maybe throughout based on the type of frequencies coming through, what you can expect from this particular coding. So I'm going to just give it over to this Pleiadian spirit guide who is just going to channel this frequency for you guys. You can get into a comfortable position, communicate the message that you're open and willing to receive this transmission, and whenever you're ready, I will channel these frequencies for you. You can pause this if you need a little bit more time to get centered or find a place that feels comfortable to you. Okay. Kana mastana da uastana nimidriana ukuandre istana. Hanana masterea tana statupu akotunumudea. Mbata alada to musuku putanindria. Sendere mestetea nashokupua senderea. Sanamastatana atana mukuandrea senanamutan. Mitri sitri atrumusutu pukuandra senarahe. Ia pigatana sakatanandaraha sanamushumbuku o sentu umukuando. Makotona sandara esatanenten shendro kuate siterende midriandaha asanasha kasanana mutairi akshanamu sandara alta matara edrea sanar shukuputre manara satere adnamba sukuturu asanara shetrianara tansara okaputri endre sitere amasatana maha mamma apamanatara satanate shikatinidiyara dum uturieta sanarmushanda. Kanastana namatana esteri diriata kusunum struturia fakuputuri ene desteria namasana namatarandra satre trektan satre antrushkutur mutandra trasatene meshetre aktanan mantra satre sere shikupuande atanara tasana namatara katananaha yapsana tantara satru pokutari yashana mutoi kindiri shetrina namuturu yakatum atatanata asatuma shetria narkatre shetria Tanasaturu Bateria and Ratsextrum Tarantara has a Trianaha, Yapiana Saturum Bateria, Tectana Satanamoto, Yakitria, Derisiteria, Nanamatara, Catunumutan, Hasatria, Shakusumusutru. That was a Pleiadian frequency, a Pleiadian tune-up, a Pleiadian healing, as well as an activation for this current weekly energy forecast. So this activation is going to assist with a lot of the different situations that you're going to find yourself into creatively, professionally, personally. There was an emphasis here. There's a number of emphases here. So I'm trying to assess how much I want to fully go into this because it's not really required. This will help you in so many involuntary ways that I will not even ever be able to explain to you all of the different ways that these codings can actually assist you. But I did see an emphasis on creativity, artistry, nature as well. So there was an emphasis about getting outside in nature, and the particular coding of the energies in the weather actually is very, very strong for this particular collective group. So there's an emphasis here. All these different elements is going to assist with you kind of making it through your week with the most grace and ease possible while taking an inventory for your experiences, integrating, and upgrading. So this is a very powerful upgrade as well. So super, super powerful Pleiadian frequencies coming through a lot more as of late, guys. So I definitely expect more Pleiadian frequencies coming through. Really, really, really powerful frequencies from these beings. particularly right now. So be on the lookout for some of those in this week to come, more in the future as well. Thank you guys again for participating. Happy Monday, and have a beautiful week, everybody. Take care. I'll see you soon.